of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today we are going to talk about Amazon affiliate, kind of how to set your account up, how to set your account up to where you are basically making money on Amazon, and just a few tips and tricks of how to kind of promote effortlessly and lead people to your links, right? So, if you don't know what Amazon affiliates is, it is basically where you can grab links to things on Amazon, share them out to people, and when they purchase something or more technical, whenever they click your link and they purchase anything within a 24-hour window of being in that link, you get a percentage of everything they purchase, right? So here is the page. It's called it's Amazon Associates, but I normally just say Amazon Affiliate Program. You can sign up for this. Here's information. You sign up, you recommend people, and you earn money. So I have, man, I think I've been doing this since 2011. Not sure, but I'm gonna go in and kind of show you. I'm not gonna say I'm a thousandaire from this, but I do, and I have made money. I need to get back into sharing more effectively, but I do want you guys to know that I have gotten my payouts from Amazon. Okay. Here is what it looks like in your actual section of Amazon. Like it shows you different tools like the homepage, product linking, promotions, tools, reports, help, and to be an influencer. So we're gonna go over there, but I'm gonna scroll down. And so far this month, it said it's been 2 items that have shipped. There's been 71 people who clicked the link, and I've earned 44 cents. So that's not a lot, but still, it is something. So the first thing I really want to go over is the influencers tab. So this is where you will start your job as an Amazon influencer. So you can go to manage my storefront or my page. And I want to share with you guys that once you get in on the program and you go to Amazon and you go to your list, it'll be here under your idea list. Okay, so I have mine created in sections with fashion, gadgets and electronics, business starter supply, home stuff, my books, and then books I love to read. And then I can also go through and create another list. All right, so then this is what the storefront looks like when someone clicks my link. I have a private link here. So this is what others will see. It's letting me do that. So you can do all of this, like create it. I have my little banner. I have a picture of me. So my little tagline is making your product shine differently. And again, you see the same thing. So if you were wanting to follow me, you could follow me to see what I have in my store. And this is what you see when someone would click on your shop link and you have it here. So also on Linktree, I'll probably have to log in. But I want to show you that I take this link and I put it in my Linktree link for my Amazon, for my Instagram page. And if I share something in my stories or on my timeline, because a lot of times I buy a lot of dresses and cute stuff like this dress I have on in this picture, I got it from Amazon. So on my birthday, I let them know that, dress from Amazon, you can find it in my link under fashion, right? So I don't know Linktree's actual um .com, so I'm just gonna look it up. So there we go. But that's what you can do. So now let's go back to how to set things up. When you want to, it says manage my storefront. So it's probably gonna kind of show up the same thing as the idea list, but in this. So here it says influencers. Your application has been approved. Your account is active. Gives you lots of information about the program. Here's my page. I can update my picture. I can update my little banner. I can change my page title and my tagline as well, right? So then we're going to go to my page. It's kind of going to be the same exact thing that I just showed you guys. But again, I want you to let you know what those links go to. So same thing. So again, if I wanted to add something, I'm going to go back to my idea list. If I wanted to create a new list, I would create a new list here. Say I want to do a list for just shoes or fall items. And then I'll tell you what it's about. This is my go-to fall items for such and such. And then I would post it. And then if I'm on Amazon and let's see, let's look at my orders. Let's see what I've ordered recently. I ordered this hookah tip, right? And then I ordered these shoes. I had an iPad case, some fridge things. So I don't know if I added this. I probably already did. But I added some fridge things for my new fridge at my new house because I like these little, so you know things won't be sticky, and if things spill on this, you can kind of just take these mats out and just wipe them off. So I'm trying to click it. I don't know. See, I'll open it in a new link and see if that works. Y'all know every time I want to do something good, some shit happens, okay? Something happens with this whole thing. So I do need to log into Linktree so I can show you guys also what it looks like, but we'll wait on that. So it's taking a while for that product to show up, so we're just gonna, and it's taking a while for that to go back. But you say, well, how do I get a link if I don't want to set up an Amazon store and just share it because someone asked me? Okay, so you're gonna go to home, right? And y'all just saw those leopard slippers or whatever that I had. You're gonna go to home, and then this is where you search a product, right? So I'm gonna say leopard slippers, and I'm sure there's gonna be tons that come up, but at least one of them are gonna have to be like the ones that I just purchased. So we're looking. That's a style. That's a style of one, two. So a few more. So here's the one that I purchased, right? So you could either hit get link or you can press the down button, right? So this is the link that will take people to those same exact leopard slippers. But I always like to shorten it. So if I'm just posting it on my page, this is how I will grab the link. So this link is my referral link to that slipper, right? And I could just go on my Facebook page and share it out like, y'all, I can't wait till these slippers come. I ordered them from Amazon. They're gonna be so dope. So yeah, so and I would do it here. So just waiting on this to come up. But you guys saw how I did that, right? I went home, I scrolled down, I typed in what I was looking for, and then I grabbed the link, right? I also want to show y'all. I probably got too much going on right now on on here that my computer is moving slow. So I'm gonna log in to Linktree too. All right, so back to Facebook. Probably got too much shit open. We don't need that page either. Log in there, go back to Facebook. Still hasn't come up yet. It's probably because, again, I have too much shit open. All right, so this is here, right? So normally when you have a product, you have something on it that says add to list, right? So you can go through your products that you have bought or you have on your wish list and you can hit add to list, right? And then, am I logged in? Okay, let's see. Okay, so I have all kind of lists here, but if you scroll all the way down, Jesus, if you scroll all the way down, and I don't know why it's called idea list, but here's my idea list. So if I scroll all the way down and I want to add this to my home stuff, I can add it right in here to my home stuff right from, shopping. So I hope that makes sense. This was something I bought. I was like, oh, well, let me add that because I did buy this. This can go in the home stuff. Is that now it's in my idea list, right? So boom. Again, Facebook still not showing up. All right, give me 1 second, y'all. All right, I'm back. Computer was going slow. So, like I was saying, I took that link and here I can put that link on my Facebook page. Now, listen, people are nosy. So, they're going to click, right? They're going to click. So, you will get a lot of clicks. But taking this to the next level, it will be when I get my actual product on Saturday. I'm going to make sure my toes are done and I am going to do a day in the life with my leopard slippers, right? So then I'll have a cute picture maybe on my back porch of me with my slippers, me cooking in my kitchen breakfast on Saturday, maybe cleaning to make this picture stand out. But I'm still going to use this link. I'm like, I'll say something about y'all. I done fell in love with these soft leopard slippers. I love leopard anything. So people already know that about me. And I know a lot of people love leopard just like me. So I know my audience will gag over these slippers and I'm going to share them here. And at least maybe out of the 100 clicks, maybe 3 people will buy it, okay? But I'll get a percentage from that. And if they're already on Amazon and they have something in their cart, guess what? If they buy something while buying that from your link, you'll get a percentage of what's in their cart as well. So that's like double dipping. So I'm going to go here to my payment history so I can kind of show you guys that yes, I do make money. You can get direct deposit or you can get a gift card. So I have changed mine to gift card. But I want to go down to let you know, okay, so I've been doing this since I signed up in probably 2011. I don't know, 2012 maybe. And I first started making money in 2013 from here. So you can see that, sometimes it was just $10, $10. I had one great month, which happened, I think, because of Fire Sticks sales that year, and I made a lot of money. Now, if you have people buying big ass computers and laptops and stuff from your list or from your link, then of course you will make way more money. But this is just through the years that I've made money. So right now I have an unpaid balance of $9.89. I think they changed it to where you have to have $10 before you get paid. But also I want to show you guys how you get to like see. So you want to know like, okay, so they bought something. So you want to look at the full report of maybe the stuff that people buy. People buy all kinds of stuff on Amazon, and I'm sure you know that because you do too. So if we look at the full report, it gives you like a summary and then where the commission comes from. So here, total number of referrals, the earning was $3. So bounties are, I think, when people sign up to Amazon Prime. I think that's what the bounties are. So then this is like commission from products here. And then you can tell what they buy. So a lot of people bought my book. And you see that it was 159 links, 1.83 conversions. So out of 159 people, 3 people ordered. And then they probably ordered other stuff. You see? People bought it, a series, Penny My Professor. They bought all these books. These are just different books. Corrupted Angel. So they just bought all kind of different books. But again, you have referred 33 Kindle free ebooks and 21 paid. Per our operating agreement, certain cautions may cause non-payment. So, it's just, you know, certain things happen. Sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose one. But because these books are so inexpensive, this is how much I've made from these books. So even my own books, with 2 being shipped, I only made 24 cents in advertising fees, but I also made something from all of these books as well. You get what I'm saying? So you do make money. And altogether there was 23 items ordered, 22 items shipped. So again, I did make some money, and it looks like, I can't remember. I think the bounty is if someone signed up. Yeah. So someone signed up for Kindle Unlimited promo. So you get like bonuses and stuff when people sign up for certain stuff. So I hope, that helps you guys understand how you can make some money from Amazon. And I don't put a lot of effort in this, but I do always make sure, especially if it's my book, um I'm grabbing my link because I want to double dip. I'm going to make the money from my book plus my advertising fee that I will get from Amazon. And I use Linktree, so I put my shop link here. So if somebody was to come to my Linktree on my Amazon, on my Instagram, they could click and shop. Cause I'll say, hey guys, it'll be down here. So I'll say, hey guys, check out my Amazon store link in my link in my bio, and check out my faction session for the leopard slippers. So that is a whole lot of information about Amazon affiliates, and I hope this helps you just kind of figure stuff out and start making some income from something else. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and go ahead and put it to use with your business or just your everyday life. Until next time.